Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I got some more parts for new Stang in the mail. I ordered Meisman Motorsports Caster camber plates because I took this thing to get in alignment after I did all the suspension stuff a couple months ago. They couldn't get it right. To correct it, I had camber bolts. Well, these guys didn't know how to work camber bolts for anything, I'm guessing, because it was way off. They screwed it up way more than anything. My steering wheel's all crooked now. Before that it wasn't. We're going to fix it, hopefully, by doing the caster camber plates. And then once the caster camber plates are on, I'm going to somebody else for an alignment. I'm going to go ahead, start the car up, turn it around, and then I'm going to do one side off camera while this battery charges, because it needs it. The driver's side is done. I didn't tighten down the actual strut like on up top. I can do that later. Plus I want to make sure that the strut tower brace, wherever I put that, actually fits with these caster camber plates. Otherwise I gotta drill it, and I'm okay with that, but I don't really want to do it. So I'll show you guys how to do the passenger side real quick because both sides are identical. Big thing right now though is when you order these, they come like disassembled. You have to put them together yourself. When you put them together, it looks like this. The instructions are super detailed, so this part I don't really need to show you how to do it. All you have to do is read those because they're super detailed. Every picture is really good. Overall, best instructions I've dealt with so far, and I am not gonna be that guy that says, oh, I didn't need instructions, because I don't understand this stuff that well. It's new to me compared to other stuff that I've done before, like springs, shocks. It's all, I don't need instructions for that. It's super simple. So next I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take the wheel off, and then we'll get this stuff all put together. These strut mounts, they'll be like that when you take them off, but you just take a screwdriver, you pry this bad boy off here, because that's not getting used again. This part here though, this is. Inside here there's a bunch of little ball bearings that can go flying if you're not careful. I've had to put them back in here multiple times now. But the caster camber plates will clip on here, and then they can go up into the actual car. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I have the caster camber plates on. They fit great. They were actually really easy to put on. But there's not much I can do now that they're on. I got to wait for an alignment. So what I'm going to do now is, because the weather is getting nice, and by the time that you guys see this, I'll have actually graduated from college already, which is pretty cool. Or at least that's how I have it planned. It should be right around the same time. These videos have all been filmed in advance just so that I can keep up on everything and still do what I love. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit there in that chair for a little bit, crack open a cold one, listen to some music, and just have a good night. I need that. It's good to be able to get back to this. I missed it a lot. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the content and you're prepared for all the good stuff that's going to be coming here soon. And We're going to be doing a lot of crazy stuff, so stay tuned for that. I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, stay tuned for more. See ya.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I can't just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. I'm talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong, and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all the fake shit the game has been packing.
We should make him think we're filming his flyby and just like talk the whole time to the camera.
Here it comes. Do you hear it?
Wow.